Hello everyone, today we will inform you about Kidslandpark, which is the most preferred by families with children in Beykoz. In our content we have prepared, you can find answers to many questions such as where is Kidslandpark, how to get there, entrance fees and activities. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Kidslandpark is a facility established by Kidsland in 2017. With 5 different country gardens with a total capacity of 5,000 people, close to 200 weddings, over 400 graduation and company picnic events per year, as well as nature and life workshops that host tens of thousands of students, tent camp area is available. It was established by setting a mission on instilling the love of nature as well as providing all the opportunities for families and especially children to get to know nature and have fun freely. In particular, the Courage Training for Children activity stands out. In the training given by expert trainers to help your children overcome their fear of the forest and the dark, their friends in the other workshop also support the child with slogans. In this way, friendship bonds develop between children and they learn to help each other in a more realistic way. When we look at Kidslandpark 2023 prices, while daily prices vary between 400 TL and 750 TL, workshop and activity prices in Kidslandpark vary between 75 TL and 150 TL. Of course, you can find out the current prices by calling the phone numbers I have given at the end of the video. Services not included in the price. Transportation, personal expenses, lunch and dinner. First day morning meeting, breakfast, barbecue service at the campsite. Pot of tea at the campsite. There are many activities in the Kidslandpark area and these are wedding and special day organization, school-specific events. These are nature workshops, survivor, picnic activities. Company events, such as picnic, launch, graduation and children's festivals, tent camps. These include school students or family tent camps. There may be price differences in the selection of dates on special days, holidays and public holidays. You also need to make a reservation before you go. For bulk person and school reservations, please contact via WhatsApp lines and request a quote. What are Kidslandpark workshops? Kidslandpark provides 35 different workshops to make your camping activities more beautiful. You can attend these workshops and enjoy the fun during your camping activities. There are country wedding and polonezkoy dream forests, walking tracks, farm and agriculture activity areas, open and closed restaurants, survivor game tracks, Kalba theme park in the dream forest. While your children receive entertaining trainings accompanied by our trainers, our parents who wish can explore the imagination forests, collect seasonal vegetables and fruits in our agricultural land, take pictures in the Kalb Park and spend time competing on the survivor tracks. Where and how to get Kidslandpark? Kidslandpark is located 8 kilometers from Beykoz district of Istanbul. There are private car and bus options for transportation to the business. Taxi from Beykoz district to Kidslandpark costs 40 TL on average. There are several different alternatives for transportation with your personal vehicle. My advice to you would be to use navigation. For navigation, you can come to Yandex Navigation and Google Maps by typing Green Generation or Kidslandpark locations. Our guests who do not have navigation will come to you when you enter Polonezkoy Road after a Karkent and after 1 kilometer, turn left from our farm with the Green Generation sign. If you want to go to Kidslandpark by bus, take the 136 Alabahader/Kavasik bus from Beykoz, or 136 Alabahader/Zerzavat, Kavasik from Beykoz, or by 136 Arriva, New Riva Yola/Kavasik bus. The bus, which departs from Beykoz, gets off at the Zerzavat Sapaji station. Kidslandpark Campground. If you are looking for a holiday resort in Istanbul with your loved ones, Kidslandpark should be one of your first choices. There is a wonderful camping area in Kidslandpark where you can camp in touch with nature. In addition, there are daily tours and children and their parents are accepted to this event. Parents participate in competitions with their children, A 2-day event is organized for guests staying at the camp. This event, there are competitions and activities between both children and parents, training on setting up a tent, first aid training in the forest, water treatment training, compass use, rope tying techniques, survival in nature, finding and cooking food in nature, recognizing and protecting animals in the forest, and finding direction in the forest are provided. On the second day, mango grilling competition, night courage walk, live music by the fire, certificate and medal ceremony, and even a special award is given to the most snoring father of the camp. Family Children's Tent Camp, overnight, 2 days and 1 night accommodation, breakfast price $7.50 TL. Kidslandpark positive and negative aspects. When we look at the positive advantages, there is a hobbit village where you can take great pictures, wooden houses, a colorful bridge and small single huts in the forest. It is the camping establishment with the best price/performance ratio among the paid camping areas in Istanbul. You won't have any problems finding wood. They help you with wood in the camping area. There is Wi-Fi service in the restaurant. There are areas where you can meet your electricity needs. Parking and lavabo are free. 0 to 3 years old and over 65 years old are free. There is a kiosk in the business where you can buy your basic food needs. There is Hatmer Market 150 meters before arriving at the facility. It is free to bring food and beverages with you. For our guests who cannot come with supplies, there is a breakfast restaurant in our area. When we look at the negative aspects, it is actually advisory information, and these are: individual camping activities are not allowed. Group camping activities are allowed. The reason why they do not allow individual camping is to use the area correctly and to provide a comfortable holiday for families with children. Your campfire is provided by the authorities. You cannot individually go away and light a campfire in an area you want. Unfortunately, other operators other than Turkcell do not. However, you can provide updated information to your relatives by using the Wi-Fi feature in the restaurant. There is a rural wedding area within the business. Sometimes wedding events are held here. Water battles are held according to the weather conditions. We kindly ask you to bring a water gun and spare clothes for your children. It is not possible to participate in our event without a ticket or by paying at the door. Kidslandpark polonezkoy contact information. Phone numbers are 0532 388 30 28 or 0533 308 30 15. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of a video. If you have any questions that we missed or want to add, you can write them in the comments section, and you can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.